Nagaland Hudai Sal Hornbill Festival jai thagya humoi Nagaland Adventure aro Motor Sports Association khan participate kura nishna idu salbi Daikin World War II laga peace rally organize kurishe kudi Daikin Sovima village pra shuru kurigina kisamatak jai World War II laga gari jeep wheelies chulagina idu sal 25 participants tagishe ibidula details sabo
Office laga bahar de ahi gine ase 2011 bra World War II peace rally hodai jai thaga nishna itu salbi aru bi peace rally to shuru kurile ase itu peace rally to jua salbi yare sovi ma bra shuru kuri gine kisa mare punchishe ajibi yare tai khan sovi mare shuru kurile ase approximate to 8 am nishna de shuru kurile ko ase itu sal ekta bhal khobor de Hornbill Festival la second day de punchia nishna itu sal do tai khan Joasal more than 24 participants to ahiyo lage this year do because it's the silver jubilee of Hornbill Festival ko nishna itu sal do yere dusra tinta states pra holi bi manu ahine ko ahigine je ko ase organizers kan ye kotha kuri gine jawo itu la details kan hole do hole bi itia sai gine jaile do manu bishi do ahi ase sob details to organizers last side pra jani hole hunya hisab hole do kohi mare hole bi kuma tan lo de catch up kuri gine mili gine inega jawole ase ko ase kisa mare to moi khan sai gine jaile do itu jeep khan hole do World War II laga gari khan ase gushi de aro maintenance to bishi digdar ase gushi khali itu laga peace rally karne itu gari bi every year maintain kuri gine jado easy no hoye gushi for example sabi itu gari aji yare bra shuru kuri gine kisama punchule ase gole do minimum hole bi 30 liters fuel do cholai gushi de itu purana gari khan hoye ja karne hole bi khali itu World War II peace rally aro peace aru unity promote kuribole ekla garne tai khan inega jaire all despite all the odds moi khan itu laga upor organizers khan gi kotha gro namsa Nagaland Adventure and Motors Association laga president itu ekla noile bi aji laga rally laga main lead kurle thaga do former Nagaland DGP aru itia state election commissioner T John Longkumar kurle ase tan sob ke man itia kotha kuri gine jaw moi khan aji laga rally do interview khan loi gine jaw do three only female participants of today's World War peace rally khan ge kotha kuribo aji morning tan bi yare punjije tahan maiki tinjon ase tahan nijor hi tahan na gari do drive kurine jawole ase olop tough hola tahan bi itu gari do itia kininga ase gari la condition da apni hanna
এটা তো ওয়ার্ম আপ হওয়া তো গাড়ি চলাবলে ভাল আছে হয় হয়
apni han you're the only female participants three of you all kapra bi thik tak uniform khan bi lagai na where did you get your uniform from
it was arranged by our friend yeah so yeah he took care of the uniform
nihan uniform do kore shilaise
মহান ইউনিফৰ্ম বনাইছে আৰু কোনোবা ওৱান আউটচৰ্চ কৰিছে না US পৰা মইতো US নিচিনা ড্ৰেছ কৰি আছে US চাৰ্জেণ্ট আৰু তাই যোনটো ব্ৰিটিছ না আৰু গাড়ী বি মান 1 year ওপৰ বনাই থাকিছে না তো এইটো মইলা লেট ফাদাৰ না তাইলা জিপ থাকিছে তাই ফুলা কৰিছে তেম যেন না তো এইটো তাইলা জিপতে মই তাইলা মেমৰি কাৰণে অল গাৰ্লছ টিম মান যাইছে
তো আপনি খান সাবি আপনি লা বাবা के याद करी गने इन एकता देवी पार्टिसिपेट करे আছে but World War II peace rally itu second World War Kohima commemorate kuri gane in ekta jado why did you find the need to participate in such an event or in such a rally
No, because actually my grandfather was also very much present during the World War. My grandfather was a witness to the war, and also we are very interested in all this. And then since my father also, we just wanted to carry on the legacy like that.
This rally has been going on since 2011, and we see very less of female participants. But this year, apni han nijor hi drive kore also tahan nijor hi drive kore de mota manu drive kore tahan buhi gine jala no. So would you call for more female participants maybe next year also? How exciting is it for you, and why should other female participants also come and participate in such an event?
It's quite exciting because we get to know more. We get to know the women in war, the roles they played, and also you know that. So I feel everyone should come and participate because you get to know as you are working towards it. You get to know more about it also.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. We hope you safely reach Kisama and get to return again. Thank you so much for speaking to us. All the very best. Itu tagishe three only female participants of World War II peace rally can be jawle shuru kuileshe. Okay. What is your name?
My name is Alan.
Alan. And where are you from?
Spring doesn't make it to me.
Okay. What time did you wake up this morning?
6.
6. And who got you ready?
Appa,
Appa. How excited are you for this rally? Have you been doing these rallies even before last year? Or your first time?
my first time.
Your first time. Apni itu World War II peace rally they participate kurado. Kiman sal participate kuina hi aje?
It's been about 7 years now. Yes.
What is its significance?
It's all about preserving our heritage since war came to us. So it's about remembering the fallen soldiers and they gave their lives for our today. It's all about that. So it's like we Nagas have our culture and all, like our traditions. So the World War II thing is a heritage for us. So it's about preserving that.
So moi agire koi dia nishna aji World War II peace rally la commander do former Nagaland DGP aru itia state election commissioner T John Longkumer ase taibi radio ije full uniform de ahi gene ase. Sir, how excited are you for this rally?
Very excited.
Okay. Sir, as per what we saw last year also, this is not your first time, sir.
Yes, I have been taking part since 2019.
Kindly take us more into the significance of this rally that is organized by NAMSA since 2011, sir.
Yes, we are very grateful to NAMSA for organizing the Hornbill World War II Peace Rally. And the ethos of our rally is we want to spread the word of peace and goodwill to the whole world. And we are enacting the relief convoys that happened from Dimapur to go up to Kohima, where the war was raging. And we pay homage to those young allied officers and the men who did so much. And the supply columns from Dimapur were very, very essential. Otherwise, we would have lost the war. So therefore, given the significance of that, we are enacting like that. But in the end, we are having this peace rally to spread the word of peace. That we Nagas, we wish to preserve our heritage of these old vehicles. These are 80 plus years vehicles. They have been lovingly restored by all the owners here, and we wish to tell the tourists, whoever has come from all over the world, that when you go home, tell them that the Nagas stand for peace and goodwill to all.
Apni han NAMSA khan na site pra itu rally la opor aru bi olop jankari diwar participants kiman aise Kohima debi kuma manu ahiwo nishnas na nai.
This World War II Peace Rally event is the brainchild of our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Nepiu Rio, and it started in 2011. During COVID, we missed 1 year, due to COVID. So this year is our 13th edition of the Worldwide Peace Rally, and the whole theme behind this World War II Peace Rally is like during the Second World War, many soldiers had laid down their lives during the Great Battle of Kohima, and out of war, there's a lot of bloodshed and all that. So and that particular Battle of Kohima was a decisive factor for the Allied forces to win the war. So we decided to have this event to promote peace, actually. So World War II war is there, no? World War II, but it's mainly for promotion of peace and unity and harmony amongst all of us.
And how many participants are here currently? Anyone catching up from Kohima? And the number of states who joined this time?
Like the jeeps here, most of them are from the Flat Fenders Association, led by our retired DGP, Sri John Longkumar, and the rest are like not members of the Flat Fenders, but those people owning the jeeps. So we're here, so we're like around 14, 15 of us are here now, and from Kohima we expect around 10 to join in the rally. Yeah, around 25. And then we have participants from Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh, but they are not the jeepers. But like we have around 10 vehicles from Sikkim and 15 vehicles from Arunachal Pradesh. So they are our friends who have motor sporting clubs in Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim.
Thank you for speaking to us. All the very best on today's rally.
So I am from Arunachal Pradesh. We are actually coming here for the peace rally, which is commemorate with the Second World War, which fought between the Britishers and the Indian, to give the message to the people of India as well as the whole world that we the Northeast always want to maintain the peace and harmony. So our motto is to this rally is to give the message to the all the world that we maintain the peace, and that's all.
Thank you for speaking to us. Tahan time bi olop komti hoi jaase shuru hoi jawole ase etu karne mohan aji interview do iman hi kuribo hole bi hopefully kisa mare hole mohan la colleague adona tare ase tai hole bi jaigene itia tahan kisa mare puncha tahange tare bi catch up kuro koina hole bi aji morning yare sovima namsa office pra tai khan shuru hoi jawole ase moi khan apni hange aji itu laga ground report ani ase next year hole bi itu laga updates khan do ani thagibo aro kisa mare hole bi next event kiniga hoigene jawole ase itu labi update dio itia karne man hobo reporter ke Christian Yuke ho camera person Johnson Hornbill TV Chumugirima.